Today's video topic is how to make any video into animated GIF. So let's start. Click on the file menu, go to new, then click on the color matte. Set white to 1000 pixel and height to 1000 pixel. Next, click on the OK button. Select a white color from the color picker. Click on the OK button. Click the OK button again. Drag and drop the color matte layer on the timeline. Next, drag and drop the video on the Premiere Pro timeline. Make the color matte layer the same length as your video. Go to Effect Controls. From here, go to Motion. Click on the position and fix the position of the video. Next, click on the File menu. Go to Export. Click on Media. From the export setting, select Animated GIF format. Click the Export button. The video is now converted to an animated GIF. Thanks for watching the video.